Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. You're with me, your fully qualified driving instructor FM. So the government is announcing new measures, new restrictions to be put in place, I think on Wednesday. And so let's go through what they're trying to do and how this will affect our driving lessons and our driving tests. So if you go to the BBC website, we can see London to move into Tier 3 as infections rise. Okay, so London will move into England's highest tier of COVID restrictions from 0001 GMT on Wednesday, Health Secretary Matt Hancock has said. Parts of Essex and parts of Hertfordshire will also enter Tier 3 at the same time. A new variant of the coronavirus has been identified, which may be associated with the faster spread in South England. In the south of England, Mr. Hancock told the Commons. Okay, pubs and restaurants in Tier 3 must close except for takeaway and delivery. Also, under the new rules, sport fans cannot attend events in stadiums and indoor entertainment venues such as bowling alleys and cinemas must remain shut. Okay, London theatres devastated. So quite big news coming through. But how does that affect our driving lessons and our driving tests? Let me just see if there's anything on here on BBC's website. So if you go back to the DVSA's original email that was sent regarding the tier systems, so this was sent before the 2nd of December. So just before everything opened up, they talked about the tier system where they, I made a video on it anyway, where they talked about, let's see, here we go. The government has confirmed that the driver training and testing can safely restart as normal in tiers 1 and 2 when the current restrictions ends on the 2nd of December, which we talked about. So right now it probably carries on with the same rules. Additional measures for driving tests in Tier 3 areas. Our top priority is to keep you safe and your people and our staff safe. To allow us to continue testing in Tier 3 areas, we will restart car practical tests in Tier 3. So this was from the 3rd of December, say. They were carrying on with the driving tests, but they had a few little measures such as reducing the number of practical tests. Anyone who has a car practical test booked in the Tier 3 area who is exempt from wearing a face covering may have to delay their test until the area moves out of Tier 3. So I'm assuming they're going to carry on with the same rules in Tier 3. But what I would say to my students or anyone watching this video is, give it a few more days for DVSA to understand the rules and what they're going to do. We're not sure what they're going to say, but regarding the tier system from previous guidelines, they weren't going to do the test. So I'll say from my point of view right now, driving tests will continue, driving lesson will continue, but we never know what's going to happen in the future. Maybe they might turn around and say, actually, under the Tier 3 system, we're not going to be doing the driving tests or driving lessons anymore. So I'll say, like, share, subscribe with us. Keep up to date. We're going to let you know as soon as we get any messages or any emails from DVSA regarding any changes to your driving test or driving lessons. So subscribe with us and we're going to keep you up to date.